Every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. We all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. I, Nilima Sawant, Senior Coordinator at Vidya Valley, would like to extend a warm welcome to all the students, teachers and parents who are digitally present here on this auspicious day of Independence Day. May I now invite our principal, Mrs. Nalini Sen Gupta, to unfurl the flag. Let us all stand straight and proudly sing our national anthem. I now call upon Niharika Agarwal of class 7 to express her views on independence in Hindi.
आदरणीय मुख्य अध्यापिका जी, माननीय शिक्षकगण, अतिथिगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर मुझे निहारिका अग्रवाल कक्षा 7वीं सी की छात्रा को अपने विचार आपके सामने व्यक्त करने का सुअवसर प्राप्त कर बेहद खुशी की अनुभूति हो रही है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस एक ऐतिहासिक पर्व है। 15 अगस्त 1947 का दिन भारत के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा गया है। इस शुभ दिन भारत सैकड़ों वर्षों की अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से मुक्त हुआ था। तभी से भारत के करोड़ों नागरिक इस त्योहार को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में बड़े हर्षोल्लास से मनाते हैं। सच ही तो है, ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ ये है कि हम सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी है। इस दिन प्रत्येक वर्ष भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराते हैं तथा देशवासियों के नाम संदेश देते हैं। राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को 21 तोपों की सलामी दी जाती है। तत्पश्चात राष्ट्रगान होता है। इस अवसर पर सभी विद्यालय, कार्यालय, कारखाने, संस्थान और बाजार बंद रहते हैं। स्वतंत्रता तथा समृद्धि का प्रतीक यह दिवस भारत के कोने कोने में बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। ये आजाद फिजा जिसमें हम सांस ले रहे हैं, यूं ही हमें नहीं मिली। हमारे देश के वीर सपूतों ने अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर ये सौगात हमें दी है। हमारे पूर्वजों के संघर्ष एवं क्रांतिकारियों के बलिदान की गौरव गाथा का पर्व है यह स्वतंत्रता दिवस, अर्थात हमारा राष्ट्रीय त्योहार। हम बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं जो कि इतिहास में हमें ऐसे स्वतंत्रता सेनानी मिले जिन्होंने न केवल देश को बल्कि आगे आने वाली पीढ़ियों को भी अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से आजाद करवाया। लहू देकर तिरंगे की बुलंदी को तुमने संवारा है, लहू देकर तिरंगे की बुलंदी को तुमने संवारा है। फरिश्ते तुम वतन के हो, तुम्हें सजदा हमारा है। आज आजाद भारत दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतांत्रिक देश बन गया है और सभी क्षेत्रों में जैसे शिक्षा, परिवहन, खेल और अनेक व्यवसायों में उन्नति कर रहा है। आज हमारी सैन्य शक्ति इतनी बुलंद है कि दुनिया भर में इसकी मिसाल दी जाती है। आज हमारी सैन्य ताकत आधुनिक हथियारों से लैस है जो किसी भी दुश्मन को पलक झपकते ही मिटाने की ताकत रखती है। अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि मुझे अपने भारतीय नागरिक होने पर गर्व है। तो चलिए आज हम मिलकर शपथ लेते हैं कि देश को उन्नति की तरफ ले जाएंगे। हम सभी प्रेम भाव से रहेंगे और भारत को दुनिया का सर्वश्रेष्ठ देश बनाएंगे। गूंज रहा है दुनिया में भारत का नगाड़ा, गूंज रहा है दुनिया में भारत का नगाड़ा, चमक रहा आसमां में देश का सितारा। आजादी के दिन आओ मिलके करे दुआ कि बुलंदी पर लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Niharika. Very well spoken. I hope the enthusiasm in your speech has been transmitted to all our audience. May I now call upon our teacher, Mrs. Aparupa Ghosh, to express her views on independence from teacher's perspective.
Good morning, everyone. My heartiest congratulations on the 75th Independence Day, an important milestone for India. We have been enjoying this independent and democratic environment for the past 74 years. Most of you here were born in independent India. But we must not forget the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. We must also remember and appreciate the contributions made by our defense services, our Jawans, for maintaining this freedom. Their vigilant effort helps us to breathe in a comfortable atmosphere and sleep peacefully at night. They jump in whenever we need help, be it flood relief, earthquakes, or any other crisis. We are proud of them. Year 2021, we are still struggling with the pandemic that hit us last year and related challenges like loss of jobs, economic crunches, health infrastructure crashing down, and education seeing a phase change. But there are reasons to be happy and hopeful. India's space program is making giant leaps to the moon, Mars, and beyond. ISRO is planning for a space exploration and training its 4 astronauts for a crewed mission to space with Gaganyaan by 2022-23. Research and development in the pharmaceutical industries are not far behind. Serum Institute of India, Pune, and Bharat Biotech has done a commendable job of manufacturing and supplying vaccines in such large numbers. Approximately 12 crore people are fully vaccinated in India today. The recent Tokyo Olympic Games has shown us that we will not be beaten down by any pandemic. Hard work and grit always pays off. Our sportsmen and women have given us hope that the medal tally will definitely increase in the years to come. Lastly, dear children, I would like to maintain that with freedom comes great responsibility. Now that the education system is seeing a huge change, it's your responsibility to make the most of it. Be honest with yourself. Consider this as an opportunity and think how you can apply your knowledge and contribute to the society. Our country needs more young minds who can think differently and take our country to the global podium with pride. I hope and wish you will remember this and make us proud. Once again, I wish you a happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Aparupa ma'am. Every year, we have an array of dignitaries present at Red Fort to witness the Independence Day celebrations. This year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will invite the entire Indian Olympics contingent to the Red Fort as special guests. He will also personally meet and interact with all of them around that time. This was just little bit of information about how celebrations are going to take place in the country. I would now like to call Arnav Saharkar of class 8.
Good morning, dear Principal Ma'am and my dear friends. I am Arnav Saharkar from class 8. August 15 fills us with the excitement of unfurling the tricolour, taking part in celebrations and listening to the patriotic songs. On this day, the youth of India should feel the special pride of being the citizens of a free nation. We gratefully remember our freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live in an independent nation. Today, we all are here to acknowledge the privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under a colonial rule. For every Indian in those times, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. These difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day we not only celebrate our freedom but also pay a tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. We are very proud that Mahatma Gandhi became the guiding light of our freedom movement. As much a saint as a political leader, he was a phenomenon that could have happened only in India. Troubled by the social strife, economic problems, and climate change, the world seeks relief in Gandhiji's teachings. His quest for equality and justice has become a mantra for our republic. Independence means freedom. Freedom to have the choice to be whomsoever I want. Freedom to think, to act, to eat, to dance, to just be. This may sound superficial, but freedom by definition is political. Restrictions on how to eat or how to dress are as much political means of oppression as they are social. This Independence Day, I am reminding myself of what my forefathers fought for, an independent India, where each and every citizen of this nation has a right to equality, to justice, and to freedom. In the end, we cannot merely say that August 15 is solely about freedom. This day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It also gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence. And also gives us the value and cherish for the independence that we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this nation to perform our duties and progress together for the growth of development of our nation. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should all take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Arna. Very well spoken. Every year we have a group of teachers showcasing their singing talent on the Independence Day. This year too, we have a set of teachers trained by Mrs. Aparna Dani, our music teacher. Let's hear to their beautiful rendition.
एक साथ चलेंगे दुनिया बदलेंगे हाँ हाँ बदलेंगे नई दुनिया बसाएंगे
Thank you, teachers. Thank you for your enthusiasm and your rendition. To celebrate 75 years of independence and commemorate it as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Government of India has called upon people to submit videos of them singing the national anthem. Rashtragan, record a video singing national anthem. I hope few of our enthusiast children have submitted their videos too. We now have a recital of Marathi poem by Swarup Pathak of class 6.
Hello everyone, my name is Swarup Samir Pathak from class 6A. नमस्कार मंडळी, तुम्हा सर्वांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. स्वातंत्र्य दिन म्हणला की प्रत्येक भारतीयाच्या चेहऱ्यावर एक वेगळाच उत्साह दिसून येतो. हा दिवस आपल्या सर्व भारतीयांसाठी फार अभिमानाचा असतो. या दिवशी सर्व सैनिकांची आठवण नक्कीच येते. खूप काळ भारताने पारतंत्र्यात घालवल्यानंतर गदी माडगुळकर म्हणतात, जोपर्यंत चंद्र आणि सूर्य राहील तोपर्यंत माझ्या भारताचं स्वातंत्र्य टिकून राहू दे, हे सांगणारं एक देशभक्तीपर गीत आता आपण ऐकूया.
Thank you, Swarup. I now call upon Mrs. Dalini Sengupta, our principal, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. A very happy Independence Day to all of you.
It's 21 years since we started Vidya Valley, and I'm really delighted and overwhelmed to be in this campus. Good morning once again. This is our 75th Independence Day. On this 75th Independence Day, may we think of freedom not as a right to do as we please, but as an opportunity to do what is right, said by Peter Marshall. This is true for us and India. And what is right for India has to start with what is right for you. The pandemic has adversely affected all of you. You have missed school, missed being with friends, missed playing games, and missed building memories of joyful school days. But you have overcome these difficulties. The pandemic has taught you to be brave, to be innovative, to be adaptable. You are stronger in many ways than you might have been in normal circumstances. In these troubled times, the Tokyo Olympics 2020 gave us hope. The Indian contingent to the Olympics gave us hope. Let us take that hope and move forward. The pandemic is diminishing in virulence, but climate change looms. The United Nations has declared a code red situation. Your forebears faced challenges, setbacks, victories to take you to independent India. Now India at 75 and beyond, and the world needs strong, resilient youth like you are to follow your forefathers and overcome this dire situation. What do I want you to do? Grab the opportunity to get an education. No, not just conventional education. You will need new kinds of education to contend with the changes that are coming. Through education alone can you change yourself and change the world. So arm yourself, children, with new ways of learning and take up new avenues of work and profession. Remember, the collapse of education is the collapse of a nation. So hone your new skills and break away from restrictive tradition and put a new India into place. In Tagore's words, a place where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert of dead habit. These lines signify the challenges we have passed through during the pandemic and the challenges that are coming upon us. To all teachers and mentors, you too are freedom fighters. You unshackle the superstitious, the blinkered, the ignorant. You fight to bring knowledge and enlightenment to your children and young adults. You are the catalyst to bring about change. And my fellow educators, we will be needed in the coming years to help the younger ones to take up the daunting tasks that we all face. Dear children, you, the young ones, will help India to surmount these challenges. You are smart, a part of the brave new world. You are hopeful because you have so much to look forward to. You are capable because you are more aware of things around you. To me, India is beautiful, rich or poor, diverse beyond belief, and culturally vibrant. And every 15th of August, I am proud to be an Indian. I feel happy, I feel hopeful. Let us ask ourselves, what is the kind of change we want to bring about? What kind of world do we want to see? Are we brave enough and wise enough to grasp this opportunity and accept the challenge and do what is right for the future? Here is more power to you, to us on the 75th Independence Day. Let us take a pledge for the better future, to think big, positive, to do the right thing by our country. After all, freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for always being so inspiring and motivating us. We all are so different. But there is one thing that unites us, and it's independence. We should honor it and never forget how hard it was to get it. Enjoy this beautiful Independence Day. Thank you. This show would have been incomplete if I don't mention their names. Neil Thorve, Vikrant Kher, Himang Keswani, Maitri Gangal, Keshav Payanur, and Varun Mengani. All the students, a big thank you to all of you for helping us edit this video and present it to the entire Vidya Valley team. Thank you, all of you.